welcome to Channel Maya. How are you all? So today I'm going to be sharing you about this place in Marina Boulevard near Illumi, okay? We can't go to Illumi today, that's a really sad thing, because we didn't expect it. It was like raining, so, and Illumi is outdoor. But now we're gonna show you a big bench. I'll show you. This is Rayan. And this is the Olympic. This is the Olympic. Not a reward, it's the sign of Olympics.
It's little rewards over there.
I don't know where is it. Okay, let's go.
Those are to the countries.
Okay, whatever. Here is the bench. This bench is horizontal. Okay. So this bench is very big. It's ginormous big. Yeah. Now how do we climb this thing? Yeah, this guy will figure out how to climb this thing, and then I'll climb up. Yeah, he's on it because, you know, she carried him. Okay, so now let's take photo. Up there, how do you come down? Oh my god.
So easy.
Jump down.
This is how we get down.
Wait.
Easy. Ultra climbing mode. Okay. I'm going on ultra climbing mode. Okay, bye. Go. Am I getting back? Oh, back here.
Off this great bridge. Okay, you know, just ignore him. Okay, so
Please do not ignore me.
okay, so
Hello, everybody.
this is
Hey, ma'am, are you making YouTube?
so here we are at the great bench.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen and hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white.